Hi guys, this is Tarini and you're watching iTarini. So, I am a huge hoarder of face masks and here I have a new addition to my face mask collection, and that's from the brand called Wow Skin Science, and it's their brand new launch, guys. That's the vitamin C clay face mask from Wow Skin Science. So this is how the packaging looks like. Now, key ingredients of this face mask are lemon and orange essential oils. You all know vitamin C. Now, jojoba oil and bentonite clay. Now, it also has a lot of ingredients, and I'm gonna be giving you a close up of key ingredients first. So this is the close-up of the key ingredients. It also has like sweet almond oil, extra virgin olive oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, glycerin, niacinamide. Guys, niacinamide is like going crazy all over the internet today, and it's basically vitamin B3, and everyone are crazy about it. It also has kaolin, which is another trending topic, which is white clay, and bentonite clay. You all know it's very good for your skin, and it also has hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, and a lot more. Now, I've talked about this brand called Wow Skin Science enough on my channel, but still I'm gonna be giving you like a brief intro of this brand. Now, it actually makes a paraben and sulfate free products. Now, this one personally has no parabens, no color, no synthetic fragrances, and no mineral oil. Now, this is dermatologically tested, and some of the good things about this brand is that they are cruelty free, they are made in Himalayas, and these are formulated in USA. They are gluten free, and the most important thing is they are 100% vegan. So this is about the product. Now basically this helps to remove dullness and brighten skin complexion, and it's also suitable for all skin types. Now let me just show you all the inner packaging. Now this is how its packaging looks like. The basic Wow packaging. It comes in a plastic tub, and the best thing about this is it also comes with an applicator. Now this is how the applicator looks like. It's a silicone applicator, guys, and this is of a very good quality, and it makes sure that the product is evenly applied, and overall it's a good brush. Now this is a 200 ml product, and it retails for 599 rupees, and this is available on Amazon, Nykaa, Wow's website, and it's also available on the Wow's app, guys. Wow has recently launched their application, and it's also available on their app. And guys, we also have like an amazing offer which is going on Wow's app, which is buy 3 and pay for 2, which is like super good. Like you can grab any of the 3 products and just pay for 2 of them, which is like a steal. Okay, so go and check their app. By the way, all the links will be mentioned in the description box below as always. Now guys, let's talk about this product. Once you open this lid, you have this protectant cover. So here's the product. Now I've used this product quite a few times now, and it's just wait for the review. Now before jumping onto the review, let's see the demo. So guys, I have applied this face mask and I leave it on for like 15 minutes, and then I'll wash it off with normal water and then just do my skincare routine. Now guys, this is a clay mask, but it doesn't dry off completely like a normal clay mask would do. This has like a very creamy texture, so it doesn't dry completely. It still feels wet even after 15 to 20 minutes. So it still feels the same way, like it is going to be like this creamy even after 15 to 20 minutes. So that's one thing. And also after applying this face mask, you'll have like a thing, you'll have slight burning. It's not tingling, but it's slightly burning sensation. But don't worry guys, like I personally have very sensitive skin and this did really suit my skin, and it's okay. It's not gonna harm your skin, but obviously do a patch test as I've already said. And so it actually has like slight burning sensation, which means that the product is actually working. So yes, and yeah, you shouldn't be talking after applying a face mask, so I think I should shut my mouth now. Okay, now see you after 15 minutes. So yes guys, I've washed my face mask and just look at my skin. It feels so clean, like it's squeaky clean, like just look at it. I feel so good, like it's so soft, supple, hydrated, and also clean. Can you guys see the difference? I just have a lipstick and kajal on, that's it. So that's how my face looks after using the face mask. So now let's continue with the review part. Now guys, talking about the review. Now guys, personally I love using vitamin C products, and I do have a lot of vitamin C products, but this is like my first vitamin C face mask. And talking about its fragrance, yeah, it smells like vitamin C. Like if you guys consume those chewable vitamin C tablets, then it smells exactly like that. Basic vitamin C fragrance. Now guys, I forgot to tell you all, please do a patch test before applying this face mask. Just take a little bit of product and apply it here. Leave it on for some time. Check whether you have any reaction on your skin or whether it's like fine and all. Like before applying it on your face, you have to do a patch test. And if you feel like your skin is all irritated and all, just wash it immediately and apply some aloe vera gel, okay? And don't use that product again. Now this is a clay mask guys, and if you have like active acne, then I suggest you not to apply this on active acne. Instead, once your acne is dried, then apply it on your face to get rid of the dark spots from the acne. And it also helps to lighten pigmentation. Guys, consistency is the key. There's no shortcut. If you have any pigmentation problem, then try to use this consistently, like use this mask 1 to 2 times in a week. And yeah, like use it according to your skin type. Like you know what goes well with your skin and all, like how many times you should apply a mask in a week. You know how your skin reacts, so yeah, like do it according to yourself, but be consistent with it and be patient. Yeah, and this definitely shows results. And one more thing is that this face mask doesn't dry out completely, okay? It is a clay face mask, but it doesn't dry off completely. It still has that creamy texture to it, so it's like very much hydrating, since it has like a lot of essential oils and cocoa butter, shea butter. So it's not like a drying face mask. It's always wet and creamy. So just leave it on for like 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with normal water, and then just follow your skincare routine. Now this also helps to get rid of all the dirt and impurities from your skin. It cleanses your skin from deep within and leaves your skin squeaky clean, and also it promotes blood circulation. It also controls excess sebum. Like a lot of people have this problem, which is like oily nose and all, like oily T-zone area. It controls that as well. Since I've already said that vitamin C is great and it fights against the free radicals, so this stimulates the collagen production. It also delays the aging process, and it helps you to get rid of wrinkles, dark spots, blemishes. Basically, it's really good for your skin. So overall, this is a great face mask and you guys can definitely give it a shot. Vitamin C is really good for your skin, guys. Like, just Google the benefits of vitamin C and you'll get to see like tons of benefits of using vitamin C on your face. Not only internally but also on your skin, okay? It's that good. Be consistent with it and I'm pretty sure you will see visible results. So that's it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell. You know the drill, right? And also like this video. Thank you.